So we're going to talk about restriction enzymes. Restriction enzymes are specific endonucleases that cut DNA at very specific sequences. For example, the restriction enzyme EcoR1 recognizes this sequence GGATCC, shown here. So this particular sequence, if it shows up in any piece of DNA, and EcoR1 is added at the appropriate buffer concentrations and environment, then EcoR1 will cut the sugar phosphate backbone between the G's, giving rise to two pieces of DNA. Now, once those two pieces of DNA have been restricted or cut, it leaves what is called a 5' overhang. Notice that the GATG is perfectly complementary to GTAC. And so these two pieces of DNA can come together and base pair to give rise to a single molecule of DNA. Now what you end up with is a little tiny gap between the bases, on the sugar phosphate backbone, that have to be resealed, and that's done by ligation. So what's most important about restriction enzyme digest is that the two pieces of DNA don't have to be from the same molecule. So any molecule that has this particular sequence can complementary base pair to the same restriction enzyme digest piece from any other piece of DNA. And this is how recombinant DNA is essentially accomplished.